Okay, for the standard deviation customization, because here we can see that we have different range of standard deviations, but in sometimes in your graph when you put the standard deviation, you can see the standard bar in the same size of standard bars. That means you need to customize the deviation. So now, first you need to plot the graph, like doing insert now the column graph. Then I will go click right button and go to select data. Then add my series. For if you have two or more series, then it's easy to use this way to add series. For me, the series name is SPS as well. And here are the series values. You just select from here and OK. And also you can change mm, the loading of anthocyanin or loading of any the portion of your series, that variation, the variable. So you can just go here and you can click like I have 0, 1, 1.5 and 2. Okay. So select OK. So my so at 0% level, I have this graph. At 1% level, at 1.5 and 2 level, we have the graphs like this way. So now, for standard deviation, just right click on the chart, and you can no need to select the chart, and then you can go to the chart element, and here first you should add the data levels. It's good if you add the data levels. Outside the end I prefer. So outside the end. Now the point is, what do you want to see in your data levels? So sometimes we only want the value to see. Sometimes we want the value and with the value with the post hoc results. That's very good actually. So you in that case you have to make put your data this way. So one you did manually, the others you can see that they come automatically. So you just click and you have your post hoc, your values with post hoc. So for that you can just change your data levels here. So right click and format data series. So okay, wait, hold on. So format data levels. Okay, format data levels. So in format data levels, currently we have our regular data, but we want with our post hoc results. That is good, so that the reviewers can easily understand the statistical significance from this. So what you do, you just select the value from the cells, like this value from the cells you want, and you click OK. And because now you can see that we have the values from the cells and also the real values. So what would you do? You just delete this one and show leader lines. No need, I think. So that's okay. That's okay. And these grid lines are disturbing us, so I think we should just delete these grid lines. So now you have data levels, and for standard deviation now, click on the chart again and chart design, select error bars, and you have a standard deviation selected. You can see that all the bars are same size, but our data, you can see that there are differences, right? So for that, you have to click here, then again right click and format error bars. Then you choose both, and yes, of course, gap, and then you go to customize. Okay, in customize. Okay. Sorry, in customize. So standard deviation, wait, here you have an option that is a specify your value. Okay, so you click here. So here is positive error value and negative error value. So we do, we just select all the standard deviation for the positive value and also all the values for the negative error value also. Okay, so now, okay, so now you can see that our standard deviation lines are changed. Maybe you can just make the lines a little bit darker with selecting, and also you can customize your, maybe like if you, we never do the change in the colors, but here I am changing the color so that you can see it. Now you can see the bars are according in accordance to the value of the standard deviation, right? So now that's how you have to customize your standard deviation. And now also you have to put your data levels like this. Okay, this is a good format if you put like this, so that people can see your data and also can understand the significant difference. Okay, so that's all. I hope it helps. Okay.